Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Monday.com to manage and schedule all your social media posts, even if you are a complete beginner. By the end, you'll know how to set up a content calendar, add posts, automate deadlines, and track your entire social media workflow. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new board. Once you log into Monday.com, click on Plus Add, then New Board. Name your board Social Media Content Calendar. Choose Content Planning as a template if you want, or start from a blank board. I'll use a blank board for this tutorial. Step 2. Set up columns. Now let's set up the columns you need to plan your posts. Click Plus Add Column and add Platform. Choose the drop-down column and add items like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. Post Caption, Text column, Media Needed, Status column, Yes or No, Schedule Date, Date column, Posting Status, Status column, Not Started, In Progress, Scheduled, Posted, Assigned to, People column, optional if you have a team. This setup helps you track what you're posting, where, and when. Step 3. Add your social media posts. Now let's add some posts. Click on New Item and type the name of the post. For example, Instagram Reel, Monday Motivation. Fill in the caption, choose the platform, add the scheduled date, and update the status. Step 4. Use the calendar view. To visualize your posting schedule, click on Views, then Calendar View. This shows all your posts on a monthly calendar. You can drag and drop posts to reschedule them instantly. This makes Monday.com work like your social media planner. Step 5. Add an automation. To save time, let's add an automation. Click on Automations, then Add New Automation. Search for When Date Arrives, Notify Someone. This way, on the day your post is scheduled, Monday.com will automatically send you a reminder so you never forget to post. Step 6. Add files like images or videos. Click on any item and upload the media you'll use, such as images, reels, thumbnails, or scripts. This keeps everything organized in one place. Step 7. Optional. Connect to apps like Canva, Meta, Slack, and more. If you want, Monday.com also connects with apps like Canva, Google Drive, Meta Business Suite, and more. But even without integrations, this setup works perfectly for beginners. And that's it. That's how you manage and schedule all your social media posts using Monday.com. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.